Thanks everyone for joining us today. I'm looking forward to walking you through how RiftSoft delivers our enterprise-level, end-to-end management of change solution for maintenance work procedures, and how it supports fleet and shipyard execution, improves readiness, and advances the Navy's digital transformation objectives. So here's how we'll spend our time today, keeping this focused and how these tools might be applied in your environment. I'll start with a brief overview of MCSPro. Then we'll walk through some of the key challenges we've seen with maintenance work procedures across multiple industries, and you can assess how those align with what you're seeing across your commands and shipyards. From there, I'll demonstrate how RiftSoft addresses those gaps and the impact it can have on execution consistency and overall readiness. Finally, we can discuss next steps, including setting up a short demo so you can see the software in action and evaluate how it fits within your organization.
So just to give you a quick snapshot of who we are, MCSPro is a US-based company headquartered in Utah, and we've been in business for over 15 years. We're also a women-owned business, which is something we're proud of. From a footprint standpoint, we support over 1,000 users globally, and through RiftSoft, we've helped teams create and manage more than 20,000 maintenance documents, with hundreds more being generated every single day. We're currently supporting over 24 mid to large organizations across industries like mining, oil and gas, chemical, energy, and manufacturing, so very asset-intensive, high-reliability environments. At the end of the day, our focus is simple: helping organizations standardize, integrate, and control maintenance execution to drive real operational results.
What we've consistently seen with the industries we work with is a breakdown in how maintenance work procedures are created and managed. These maintenance work procedures can vary across platforms. They are generally created manually, which is very time-intensive. Many are still using Microsoft Word or Excel to build these work procedures. We also see multiple generations of work procedure documents that are floating out there, and no one knows which one is the current version or where the original source is for that document. Couple that with the lack of standardization on these various procedures. When multiple sites are involved, then on top of that, the approval process flow is typically not in place, which makes traceability and configuration control extremely difficult to maintain, and most systems are disconnected from actual execution. The result is simple. This causes delays, inconsistency, and increased operational risk, which can directly impact fleet readiness.
This is where RiftSoft comes into play. First, it enables standardization of maintenance procedures across platforms, and more importantly, across commands. Second, it integrates directly with systems like SAP and other authoritative data sources, ensuring alignment between planning and execution. Third, it provides full control over the entire lifecycle, from approvals and revisions to large-scale updates across hundreds, even thousands of procedures, with built-in configuration management. And finally, it supports execution anywhere, afloat or ashore, online or offline. The end result is consistent, controlled, and mission-ready execution across the fleet. When that structure is put in place, the impact is immediate. For the Navy, the outcome is increased fleet readiness, driven by more consistent execution across platforms and commands. It reduces maintenance cycle times by eliminating rework and inefficiencies. It improves data integrity across systems, which is critical for informed decision-making. It also enhances inspection readiness through fully traceable, controlled procedures that can be shared across the fleet. In addition, RiftSoft provides end-to-end visibility across the digital thread, connecting planning, execution, and data into a single, integrated workflow. This also positions the Navy for future state capabilities, including generative AI, which relies on structured, high-quality data. The result is improved asset availability, stronger mission capability, and higher overall operational readiness.
In closing, if what we've discussed today aligns with your current priorities and challenges, we welcome the opportunity to continue the conversation. If you'd like to see RiftSoft in action, please reach out directly to MCSPro, and we'll coordinate a time that works for your team to walk through a live demonstration. This isn't intended to be a sales pitch. It's a working session, a chance to review your environment, discuss your specific challenges, and explore how this capability could support your mission. We appreciate your time today, and we look forward to the opportunity to support your efforts moving forward.